What's up, guys? So we are going to Ladakh. I'm so excited. So this is day one. Technically not day one exactly because we're still packing. We haven't left yet. And packing going on. Lyra loves sleeping in the suitcase. Lyra! Oi! He's completely ignoring me. Good morning, Gaurav. So Gaurav's packing is done. He's been after my life since last evening. Packing kar lo. This with blue jeans. Looks super cute now. I've had this sweater with me for I think 2 years now and I haven't worn it even once. Towel सूख गया?
नहीं, थोड़ा सा गीला है.
गीला है अभी? अच्छा. लास्ट में हमारा हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सामान छूटता है. क्या सूख गया? ये टी शर्ट तो बहुत रख लिया इन्होंने.
मेरा को बोला है लेके जाना है.
ये वाला लेके जाना है?
हाँ.
ओफो.
देखो जो जाएगा तो अच्छा.
अभी ना हमारा दो सूटकेस ऑलरेडी हो गया है. अभी मेरे को लगता है 4 सूटकेस होने वाला है. वो शूज और मेरा मेकअप का सामान डाल के. वार्निंग आ गया. गौरव तुम्हारा ज्यादा सामान है. ओके.
What are we carrying?
तुम्हारा एक बड़ा वाला सूटकेस है which is the size of a room.
और उसके अंदर क्या क्या सामान है?
तुम्हारे सूटकेस में तुम्हारा सामान है.
हाँ.
एंड तुम्हारा और सामान है.
अच्छा.
एंड देन मोर थिंग्स दैट बिलोंग टू यू.
अच्छा.
वो सब तुम्हारा सामान
So I will
है.
take
मेरे
out-
सूटकेस में मेरा सामान है
So
और
I
तुम्हारा
will
सामान.
Take out everything that is not mine from my suitcase.
नो डोंट डू दैट.
No, then why not?
काजल दी ये टी शर्ट रख दो इनका सूटकेस में. कोई बात नहीं.
नहीं क्या हुआ अभी?
नहीं तो मेरा सामान निकलना चालू हो जाएगा.
Very convenient.
ब्लैकमेल कर करके मेरे से बात बनवाई जा रही है. चीटिंग. Look at these two. A lot of you keep asking me what we are going to do with Lyra when we are traveling. So Lyra stays with her godmother. This lady, she is lovely and she takes very good care of Lyra. So we just drop her off there and she has a lot of fun. So breakfast is ready. Lyra is also ready. काजल दी Lyra का खाना हो गया क्या? Okay, so that's the current update. Gaurav's suitcase is almost packed. My suitcase is still a complete mess. But I'm so excited, I woke up at 4:30 a.m. today and I couldn't sleep. I was so excited. So the only thing I've finished packing is my handbag because there's not much to pack here, right? So I'm carrying wet wipes. Let me show you what's in my bag. These are sunglasses. They were a gift from Gaurav and I absolutely love these sunglasses. My embarrassingly old looking wallet. I've had this wallet with me since last 6-7 years, but I mean, it doesn't look nice, I know, but it's so practical and handy. I just keep reaching out to it every time I'm traveling. And this is my quick makeup kit. So I'm of course not carrying all my makeup products here. Most of it is going to be in the suitcase. So there's lip balm, there is sunscreen. Ouch. There's lip balm, there is sunscreen. There are these lipsticks. This MAC lipstick is one of my all-time favorites. Do you see how much I've used it? It's Viva Glam 3. I think it's one of the best shades for every Indian skin tone. So I just quickly swatched it on my hand. If you want to see, it's a beautiful color. I think for every Indian skin tone, deep colored skin tones, fairer skin tones, is absolutely wonderful. And this sunscreen. So I'm actually carrying 2 sunscreens, guys. One is in my hand luggage and the other one will be in my suitcase because in Ladakh the sun exposure is much more real. It's very, very harsh, the sunlight. So this one is an SPF 55 PA triple plus sunscreen from Wow Skin Science, and it's a very high broad spectrum sunscreen with UV and UV protection, so it's like really good. I've just put on this cap so there'll be no leakage and it's exactly 100 ml, so I'm like really happy. Let me show this to you as well. So it's very important to keep these caps, guys. Previously when I would see these caps, I would just throw it away. I'd be like, what's the point? I've opened the product, but when you're traveling, it really helps in preventing leakage. So I'm just like, I'll just show you a little bit, okay? So it has a thick consistency, which means you have to work with it a bit. But once you're done massaging it into your skin, see, you have to work with it, okay? Once you're done massaging it into your skin, you don't see any difference. It has a mattifying effect, but it doesn't leave a white cast or anything behind, and it gives you such beautiful sun protection. Besides, it's also water resistant. Ow. My hearing holes were beginning to close. I've put like neem sticks in it. So do you see how well it blends? So it's a thick formula, okay? It's not like a thin water-based formula, but it really stays on. And like if you're going to Leh, Ladakh, that region, or any high mountainous region, usually the rule of thumb is once you are above the clouds in terms of height, the sun exposure will be very strong. So carry your sunscreen. I am carrying like two bottles in case I lose one. I am not taking chances. So Madam Lyra has found a new spot. It's on Gaurav's suitcase. Lyra, see, she can hear me. She'll look at the camera and then she'll turn away her face in full attitude. Let's try that again, okay? Lyra. Again. Lyra. Aye. What, you ignoring mama? You're ignoring mama? By the way, I did my nails yesterday. काजल दी, आपका फ़ोन चार्ज नहीं हुआ है. And Lyra's packing done. Lyra ready? Ready? यार Gaurav, I don't know how you're so good at packing here. So my suitcase packing is almost done, but I think we'll have to carry this in hand luggage because see this, guys. Gaurav's 1 BHK.
Oi, hello. What 1 BHK?
Your suitcase is a 1 BHK.
हाँ, but वो 1 BHK में क्या क्या है?
That 1 BHK is this 27 kgs.
Kitchen bedroom is you only.
फिर से बोल दो.
What?
कैमरा में आया नहीं. I don't think कैमरा में
I
आया.
am just the hall. Bedroom kitchen is you only in that suitcase.
Bedroom kitchen. देख baby, अब pack हो गया है. Now I can fight back
You can
and
always unpack it.
I'll quickly lock it and change the lock code. Actually, I don't know what the current lock code is. Haha. And here's the hand luggage. So I'm carrying a shawl, some hand towels, Gaurav's cap, my cap. You guys can't see it because it's also black in color, this one. And of course, sweaters, jackets, my cherry sweater. I can't wait to wear this. Some thermal wear. Also, guys, I'm carrying lots of sunscreen. I don't know where it is now. I think sunscreen is in Gaurav's luggage. Okay, it's Gaurav's sunscreen. That's Gaurav's sunscreen. Is it Gaurav?
No, so let's do one thing. I'll cancel every packing that I've just done. I'll not carry anything. BHK, खाली फोकट वैसे ही बदनाम हो. That reminds me, have you taken a comb?
I have kept my comb.
Your comb. And it must be in the 1 BHK only. So then technically I am carrying it.
So guys, my packing is done. One last thing I want to show you, my new shoes. I recently got my hands on these. And here's a more interesting thing. So basically these are like fake soles. You can put it inside. Do you see the height of the sole, by the way? And you can add more pieces to it to make it even taller, okay? So you can just put it inside your shoes. And that's it. You have just added like 2.5 inches to your height, just like that. And that's it, guys. We're done packing. I'll just go take a little nap because I've been awake, like I think I told you, right? I've been awake since 4:30 a.m. And I'll see you guys at the airport in the next vlog, maybe. So yeah, and I'll introduce you guys to my friends. We're actually going with a couple friends. Yeah, it's just one couple, so couple friends. Gautam and Pooja. I'll introduce you guys once we reach the airport. For now, I'm gonna go do a little treatment for my hair because for 1 week I'll not be able to do anything, and take a nap and see you guys. Bye.